Hello everyone! Welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. Today, I have a project and the idea of my project comes from this item, and this item is a plastic bottle with jelly beads inside, and it has a perfume. You can smell the perfume because of the hole from the top of the cover. They leave a holes, so the smell it will spread out. And when I bought this, I got an interest to make on my own. That's why I look online on the jelly beads, and when I see the cost of the jelly beads, I ordered it online, and it's a good thing for me because the cost of the jelly beads is 6 pesos and it has no shipping fee. So when I got the jelly beads, I ordered it. When I got the jelly beads, I soaked it in the water for the whole night, and this is how it looks now. It's bigger size than on this barrel, but I will make the same like this. And some of the materials that I needed, I didn't buy it because I already have, and only bottles that available here is this a glass bottle. So let's see how my project will look after. So I'm gonna start now. I will put it first, the jelly on the bottle. It's colorful. I will wait, I forgot. I will put a perfume. Okay guys, I'm done on my project. And this is my finished project. I don't know how to make a paper flowers, so that's why I just twisted the colored papers on the toothpick and put a tape. So this is now my uh, jelly beads with perfume. This is how it looks. And thank you for watching guys, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.